Hey everyone, welcome to Diva on Duty. I'm Anusha and today I have a very fun episode. Now I know a lot of YouTubers have done this before, but I haven't ever tried it. So I thought, you know, it may be old school, but why not bring it back and try it for myself, considering I claim to be somewhat of a makeup expert on myself and maybe for others also, but have I ever done it blindfolded? And today, my beautiful model is also my beautiful manager and my beautiful sister friend. I mean, she's got all the hashtags and she's so scared right now, she's hiding behind me. Are you ready to meet her? Hansika! Look at her face. Can I just tell you, when she's in manager mode, she's all like, and today she's like,
because you're doing makeup blindfolded on me.
Shouldn't you as a manager have the utmost faith in me, belief in me, and just, you know, think that yes, she can?
Yes, she can! On you.
Well, Hansika, today is payback day. I will now manage your face. Well, I'm gonna put this blindfold on. All my makeup is here, and I can't see any of it. So I'm just gonna go by the feel, the touch, maybe just like scout her face right now, you know, just know where everything is. And just like know where my brushes are, okay? You know, just figuring out where my powders are. Oh, this is gonna be a tricky one because I won't know what color. Can I just like take a quick look? So, here we go. I'm blindfolding myself. I can't see anything. All right. Hansika's so nervous. I'm gonna tie her hair back because I feel like that's better. Would you like a bun or a ponytail?
Whatever you can do blindfolded.
I can do everything. Sorry.
Straight went into my nose.
Why? It's supposed to be dabbed under your nose.
Exactly.
Oh, sorry. Shit, people are laughing. Oh, shit. You think it's not even the same color? Auntie, why are they laughing?
They're laughing on me. I should be worried.
What is this? It's your chin. I was like, 1 second. Where's your nose, huh? You guys are so mean. What's happening? I'm doing it right, come on. Okay, wait, come on, Hansika, we can do this. Don't ignore the crowd, ignore the crowd. We've got this, girl. I'm scared to see.
I'm scared to go out of it.
Wait. Why are you opening your mouth? I got it on your teeth just now. Give me. If it looks good, what do I get?
If it looks good, you get the same exact makeup.
Oh my god, I'm scared to see you. Give me a. Wait, you have anything else in the hand? No. Alright, here she is!
Yay!
Hansika, wait, I have to
can
do,
I
wait, I have to do your hair. Okay, ready? Go!
What? I need to see. Can I just see it?
What the actual? Okay, it's not. Okay, whatever, man. How did the eyeliner get down? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at it from here. It's not that bad. Okay, it's pretty bad. When did I do the eyeliner here? Was I doing it there the whole time? And what's with the Charlie Chaplin lipstick? Okay, wait.
I don't like pink and glitter. I like.
How did I get the glitter? I counted it.
Look at what you've done to the glitter.
Oh shit! I was supposed to go 3, not 4.
But what have you done to the palette?
Okay, well, you like glitter things.
I used to.
Used to.
After this.
Okay, let's see if I can clean it up, because just close your eyes. Thank you so much for tuning in. I finally tried the blindfold doing somebody's makeup challenge. Give me a thumbs up if you laughed out loud, and comment below, and maybe try this with your girlfriends on a sleepover night. It'll be fun. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Insta, Snapchat. So thank you so much, Hansika, for joining us, and thank you guys for joining us, and we will see you soon. Diva on duty. This is such a mess. I can't clean it.